break down these locks real quick. Needs a new clutch. I'm gonna take off these back plates to get to the screws to get the front of the lock off. My pocket screwdriver at. And you got some Phillips right there. Wash the screw. Always put the screw in with the part that it goes with. Sometimes they're different sizes. Alright, now we can take this off. Take this little bushing out. Unplug the latch. Take it over to our table. Take out the screws for the back plate. We're gonna have to take the front handle off as well. Take this black back plate off. Now we got the internals. We're gonna take these two screws off to cover the reader head. We're gonna take these two screws here that also hold down the reader head cover plate. And then we're gonna have to take off the handle. We'll take off the front handle. So most of the time on these, this little ground strap breaks off this little micro switch here. I think I have one here to show you. There's just a little solder point for that micro switch and reader. And that breaks off, doesn't complete the circuit, and it won't read the cards no more. This one is good. We're actually gonna be replacing this mechanism here. All right, put on your gloves. And let's get to operating. There's going to be another screw down here at the bottom to recover the battery plate. Take that off. We are going to disconnect this power cable from the battery board. Don't have to disconnect the ribbon cable to the reader head. We're going to take out this grounding screw for the battery board. Now we get to the fun part of taking apart all this stuff here. So underneath this little foam, there's two set screws, all the same size. Take off this little... And then just remember your orientation for how this spring is. Very important piece there. And you got this little plunger. So the way this works, you insert your card, this pushes down, lifts this, engages on this clutch or this handle shaft, locks it so you can turn the handle and open the door. So there's a little spring in there that you can lose. These screws here, they don't do anything, they don't hold anything down. It's just the swing of the handle on the outside. You can swing it more down, or more around I should say. But we'll take these two screws out. Just remember that these are, well, we actually need to take this out too. We gotta take off the control board. Flip that over, get that out of the way. Now we should be good. I mean, this is the way I do it. I'm sure there's other people that have done this thousands of times that are gonna be like, you're doing it wrong. But you know, I don't see your video on here, bud. Alright, so we got that loose. We'll keep the screws, we'll get rid of all that. So my bucket of parts here. We got my rebuild kit. Comes with everything you need except for these are greasy. You don't want to get them all over the table. I got them all over the table anyway, dang it. Alright, so you're going to have your brass ring that goes here. You're going to have your hook there. You're going to have your things like that. This is the easiest way that I know how to do it. Is you put this on, I'm not sure what it's called, and then you slide the springs in. Trying to do it the other way is a pain in the ace. You know what else I forgot? I forgot this half shaft. Just like so. Just like that. We'll get one screw in. I don't like my hands getting all greasy, man. That's why I like to wear gloves. Got that one, got that one. Come on, little fella, get in the hole. That's your home. Get in there. All in the hips. It's all in the hips. Have a little whatchamacallit there. I'll put this in. So you can use that, as you saw, I made like a little stand so it'll hold that up. So I need to take this little plunger off. Lose the spring, just like so. I lost the spring there. I lost the spring. Alrighty, I found the spring. The spring's gonna go there. Where'd my little plunger go? Right here. My little plunger is going to slide in place here. It's probably hard to see with this light. Let's bring the interrogation lamp a little bit closer here. Whoa. Alright. I'm going to be a surgeon now. So I'm going to feed this through the little plunger. Excelente. You're going to get the battery board. Now there's this little macro switch here. You're going to have to twist the handle. But first let's actually get this on here so we don't lose the little spring again. And this little plate like so. We got these two screws here. Dude. Ain't got no grip with these gloves, guys. I'm the lock picking lawyer. Just kidding, guys. He's cool. I watch his stuff on YouTube. Alright. Screw those things on. Hold down that shaft. So now the fun part is we'll get this like so. Twist this, let that fall. And make sure you can hear that click. Put the screw back in. The screw is very important. It's a grounding screw. It grounds the circuit board. Put the battery board back in. Bottom first slides in. And we'll take the ground screw. Ground screw very important again. We'll feed the wire. My hair is going to catch on fire because it's inside the lamp. We'll plug her in here. Get it like that. We shall put this plate back on. Alrighty, and then from here, guys, you can just reassemble.